Hey everybody, welcome to Taste This One. Hopefully you're having a good day today. It's raining here. Lay's just came out with their 3 new chips, limited time only. We have the Chile Mango. We have the Summer BLT. And we have the Jerk Chicken on Wavy Lays. Really excited about trying these 3. Really excited about trying 2 of them. Not the biggest mango guy, but it's Chile Mango, so I figured we'd give it a shot. Here we go. Get tropical this summer. The fruit flavor of mango combined with spice and tango. All right. Here we go. These were $3.50 at the local Jewel, aka Jewels. So let's get into the first bag. Here we go. There it is for you. It's got a nice dusting on here. Like I said, it kind of smells like mango. It should, because it says Chile Mango, but there's the chip. Again, of the 3, I'm a little weary about this, but we got to try all 3. That's how we do it on the channel. Let's get into the Chile Mango chip. Let's taste this one. Let me get another one. If you like mango, you're going to love these. There is that strong hint of mango on the back end. You get the chili on the front end. At least I do anyway. And then the mango on the back end. Hang on a second. All right, we're on to number 2. It's going to be the Jerk Chicken on a Wavy Lays chip. Bring a little island flavor to your backyard. There's traditional spicy, sweet, and smoky flavor in every bag. There it is. All right. I like Jerk Chicken, so this should be good, and I like the Wavy Lays. Gives it a distinct, smells fantastic. All right, here we go. There's the chip. There's the bag. Lay's Jerk Chicken. Let's taste this one. Oh, yeah. This almost tastes this is really good. Literally, there is the traditional jerk taste of it, and you're expecting it, because I've had jerk chicken, obviously, jerk chicken, but it's on a chip, so it tastes, you get the crunchiness instead of the softness of a piece of chicken, but this is awesome. Awesome! All right. Move it along. BLT Summer. A summer picnic classic in a chip form, lettuce and tomato flavor, wrapped in bacony goodness. There we go. That's what the bag says. So, here we go. Tear into this one. Doesn't smell like a BLT to me. How about you? Do you smell it? Kind of get the hint of a tomato. That's about it. All right, here we go. There's the chip. Very lightly dusted. BLT Summer flavored from Lay's. Let's taste this one. Under pressure here. Under pressure. To give you the right review. Hang on a second.
Today, Junior?
Let's go already!
Sorry, everybody. I taste the tomato. Everything else is so subtle on this. I don't know. I thought I was going to like this the best. The bacon flavor is there, but it's not there, if that makes any sense. The last time they came out with the crispy tacos, you actually had that lettuce flavor and then the cheese flavor. It was distinctive. You could actually taste it. I don't taste any lettuce on this. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Maybe it's my taste buds. I thought this was going to be the best one. All right, final grades and scores are in of the three, finishing in third place. I figured it would, but again, if you love mango, you're going to like this. Not a mango fan, but the chili, it does have the bite at the front end. For me, that's what saved it. But anyway, this mango is getting a C73. C73 for that. In second place is going to be the Summer BLT. Again, I was expecting to have a little more bacon flavor. It is there. It's a hint. For me, I didn't really taste the lettuce flavor. Can definitely taste the tomato. But overall, this is a C plus 77. All right, and there's only one left, and that is the winner by a landslide. The jerk chicken. Holy cow, is this awesome.
Awesome!
If you have had jerk chicken before, go out and buy these. You will taste the flavor of the jerk chicken right away. There's a hint of garlic here in the middle, and then you get the smokiness on the back end. This chip should be on the shelf all the time. not as a limited time only. Lay's, keep this on the shelf. That's how good it is. It's that good. It's getting an A minus 93. A minus 93. This chip is awesome. I'm just shocked how good it is. So hopefully Lay's keeps this on the shelves. But I don't know. Who knows? Have you tried either one of these 3 new limited time only chips from Lay's? If you have, leave me a comment below. Which one did you like best? Which one did you like least? That jerk chicken for me is the bomb. So, with that being said, thank you very much for watching today's video. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. It's right below. Maybe hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. Hit the notification bell so you know when I put out new videos. Try to get them out Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Outside of the YouTube world, things can be chaotic and hectic. But again, I try to get them out Monday, Wednesday, Friday. At the minimum, you'll see 2, which would be Wednesday and Friday. But plan on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So until the next video, have yourself a wonderful day. See ya.